Afternoon, third grade. Which one is third B? Third B. Welcome to the 2023 Knowledge Bowl, Red and Blue Knowledge Bowl. It's a great pleasure to be here with you, and I hope we have fun together, okay? So let's go over the rules, especially for those who are playing for the first time. There are two types of questions, okay? One is called toss-up. The other is a bonus question. Toss-up question. Every time you hear me saying toss-up question for both teams, then you get your buzzers ready because if you know the answer, you will buzz. Okay? I will recognize the team, and only then you say the answer. Don't shout out the answer. Wait until I recognize. Okay? It's very important that you learn at this age because when you play a professional tournament, if you are not recognized, you lose points. So wait, let's practice the way it should be, okay? Wait until I recognize red team, and then I identify the light, then you say the answer, okay?
If Miss Raquel has difficulties in recognize you, so I'll help her. So I know your names, but she doesn't. So you need to wait. If you press the buzzer, do not say the answer immediately.
You have time to recognize. And sometimes you might think that you are the one who's going to be answering, but remember that the other ones might know the answer as well. First, the light has to be on. That's why I have to recognize you. Okay? All right. So a toss-up question. When you get it right, then I will read you a bonus question. Bonus question is the only time one of the only times that you're going to be discussing the answer. So for example, if your team got a toss-up correct, you will get a bonus. And then the whole group can talk. During a toss-up question, you may not consult. That means you may not talk to your friends to make sure your answer is right. So toss-up. During toss-up, you may not. But during bonus, you may. And during return questions or rebound questions, you may. Okay?
But
when they miss,
press the button and when they miss now.
Yes, now you guys can answer, can discuss.
We're gonna remind you about that.
Okay.
When you may not talk and when we may discuss with your team.
Yeah.
Another thing, let me go over. So there is another thing. So the buzzer. So you're gonna press the buzzer. We're gonna test now, but we're gonna test. And you will see that all the buzzers are working. But the light that is going to blink and the sound that we are going to hear, it's the fastest player. You must be the first one to press the buzzer. So if you press the buzzer first than anyone else, so the light will blink. And this is going to block all the other lights. So you're going to see that we have different colors. So there are red, yellow and red. And the sound is also different.
Yes.
Okay?
Completely different.
So only the fastest person will have the light on.
Why is that not from this?
Okay, you're gonna see it soon. Okay?
Let me just go over the rules real quickly, and then we're gonna test the buzzers. Okay? So we talked about toss-up, we talked about bonus, and when we get to probably question 15, then we are going to have 1 minute break, and then captains, if you would like to switch players, you may. Okay, so maybe you'll have one player that could go and switch places with someone who would like to play. All right, so for the last final 5, so then you guys decide who would like to go out and give an opportunity for someone who's standing outside. All right?
Yes, Kyla, what is your question?
If the person doesn't want,
It is okay. So if you do not want to go and play, so you just say, no, I don't want to play. That's it. You don't have to. Okay?
All right. Okay, so talked about toss-up, bonus, return question. Okay, audience. When we cheer, this is the way we cheer. Like, let's say your team scored, so that's the way we cheer because we don't want to make noise. All right?
Audience, if you make noise, I'm going to take points from your team. So that's why Ms. Carol is here looking into all of you. So I can see what you're doing, and so I may take points from your team, not because they are playing, but because you are not behaving well. Okay?
Let's talk about time. Every time when I finish reading the question, if you know the answer, you press in the buzzer. You have 10 seconds to answer. After 10 seconds, Mr. Marcos is going to call time, and then no one can say after that, okay? So you have until 10 seconds, a regular toss-up. If it's a math question, you have 30 seconds to do the calculation, so you have more time to calculate on your papers. That's why you have papers and pencils. Sometimes you're going to be using the paper and pencils for spelling. So it's worth that you do the spelling there, and then you look at the answer and you say it. Okay, it's interesting that you do that. Okay, questions? Yes?
No.
No. About points. When you get a toss-up correct, you get 2 points. If you miss a toss-up, it's -1.
You lose 1 point.
Yes, you
I will-
lose
I
1
will take
point.
a point from your team.
If you get a bonus correct, you get 3 points.
Ooh.
When you answer a return question correct, you get 1 point. If you say it incorrectly, you don't lose any points. So, when it's a return question, go ahead and say the answer. You're not going to lose any points.
This is really important. For a return question and bonus question, you may say anything. If you think that maybe I'm not so sure, but I have an idea, so maybe this would be right, say it. Okay, so better tell the captain, because the captain is the one that is going to say. You may also write down on the paper, and you can show the paper to the captain.
And for example, spelling.
Yeah.
The captain may read
Your spelling, what you put on the paper.
pass it to him. Or if you know the answer of a math problem.
And this is the
Show the
important
paper.
thing. You
Okay.
are not gonna lose, you're not gonna miss any point in a return or in a bonus question. And if you say something, so I'm not so sure, but I will guess this is the right thing, and then you say, and that happened in third grade A, so they got 3 points because they got the bonus question correctly. So it is important, okay? So keep this in your mind.
All right. Let's test the buzzers now. Can we start over here, please?
Lula, André,
I'm clearing after they finish. Vote.
Pedro, Lívia, Clara,
Oh, wait.
and Teresa, and Alessia, and Don.
All right.
And they're all working.
Yes.
Okay.
Mine is working.
When you get a toss-up correct, you don't need to buzz for a bonus. The bonus is the gift for getting the toss-up correct. So you don't need to clear after they got a toss-up correct. Okay?
The bonus, we have time.
Bonus, yes. You have 15 seconds to
But
discuss.
the bonus is only for the team that got the toss-up correct. Right?
Yes. 15 seconds for regular toss-ups,
So,
or if it's a math, you have 30 seconds to
So we
answer.
don't need to worry about the buzzer.
No. Because you got a practice, let's say.
Oh, and only the team that got the toss-up question correctly will have the chance to answer the bonus. So there is no need to press the button. Who pressed? There is something that is really important.
Yes.
Who was the one that pressed the buzzer? Was Clara, né? Do you know that if Miss Raquel is reading a question and just by accident you press the buzzer, she's going to stop reading and you need to answer
Say
the
the answer,
question.
okay?
Because if you not say the answer, so if you got it wrong, so we're gonna take points from your team. So the buzzer, it's not to play with, it's just to stay on your table, because if by accident, by mistake, you press, so you need to answer. Okay?
All right, so now I would like the captains, please, let's start with the blue captain, to introduce yourself and your players, and then wish the red team good luck. Can you stand up, please? Introduce yourself and your players, please. My name
My
is.
name
My
is,
name is Pedro, and my players are Lívia Raulino, André Seabra, and Eduardo Pucci.
You wish.
And I wish a good game to the red team.
great, very
Thank
nice.
you.
My name is Teresa Marques, and my players are Clara Oliveira, Alessia Casquete, and Daniel Ribeiro.
All right, and then wish good luck to the blue team, please.
Thank you.
All right, so we're ready ready to play? Okay. And eventually, we are going to be explaining the rules if you need, okay?
Miss Haku, I have a question.
Yes.
Could I move my buzzer to the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
So,
Just
yeah,
move.
better. So if you use it that way.
Well, hold it because it might slip. All right. So remember that if you buzz, I will stop reading and I'm going to call you to say the answer, okay? So maybe you want to hear the whole question. Unless you're 100% sure, you may buzz in, okay? Toss up number 1 for both teams. Buzzers ready?
Ready.
If you haven't had a drink of water for a long time, you would probably tell your teacher, I need to get a drink because I'm really what? Red team?
There it is.
First.
Thirsty is correct. You get a bonus. Your bonus will be, just a second.
Bonus question you may discuss. Remember, as soon as Ms. Raquel read the question.
Name 2 parts of the plant. You may discuss with your team. Name 2 parts of the plant. Captain, I need your answer, please.
We have an answer?
Captain, I need your answers, please.
Leaf and stem.
Correct answer. 3 points. Toss up number 2
You ready?
for both teams. What will happen to 2 magnets put next to each other if one has N for north on it and the other has an A south?
Andre.
Andre?
They will stick together.
Correct answer. You will get a bonus. Pode deixar
Now,
porque tava
you may
certo.
discuss and give the answer to Pedro, okay?
Let's
All right, your bonus, porque senão acontece isso. Então, okay. Your next one is science. Name 2 things that the plant need to survive. Say, we have answers?
Soil and water. Soil and water.
Soil and water is correct. Or air, or sun, yes, correct. All right, toss up number 3 for both teams. And this is a math question. You will have 30 seconds to answer. Your class is having a party. If Steve's mother brings 15 cookies and Laura's mother brings 12 cookies, how many cookies will the class have all together?
Andre.
Yes. 27 is correct, and you will get a bonus. Your team will get a bonus. Your bonus is in Brazilian history. Qual foi a primeira riqueza encontrada pelos portugueses no Brasil?
You can discuss now. No, you don't need to press.
You just say
If you have the answer, Ms. Raquel, I have the answer.
yes. I'm sorry, your answer is incorrect. The right answer is pau Brasil. Yes. Toss up. Number 4 for both teams. When paper, a pencil, and a book are put on a table in your classroom, they're not liquid or gas. Instead, they're all in what state of matter? Andre?
Solid.
Solid is correct. And you will get a bonus. A sports question. Bonus. Right, yeah?
No!
Okay. You may discuss, okay? What name is given to the platform on which winning competitors stand on to receive their medals?
I'm holding. Podium.
Podium is correct.
Yes!
Say,
Oh,
instead of doing
If
this,
you do it again next time, so I'm not going to put the points over here.
listen,
It's the second
You
time
don't,
that
you
it
don't need to raise your hand and say, we have answers, okay? And then you say the answer. Podium is correct. All right, so toss-up question number 5. When you are in the movie theater and you have to talk to your friend next to you, what should you do to make sure you talk quietly and don't bother other people?
Okay.
Yes, Blue?
Whisper.
Whisper is correct. We'll get a bonus. Bonus. Let's see. Okay. Math. Think of the number 1 million. How many zeros are there?
Shh. It's a bonus question. They are the ones that are going to discuss. Red team cannot talk now. Do you have an answer? Miss Raquel, I have an answer.
Yes, say it. We have answers.
We have it.
Okay.
5.
5 is incorrect. The answer is 6. Yes.
Miss Raquel, may I say something to both teams?
Yes,
Look at me, red and blue team. So while Miss Raquel is asking a question, you are kind of, so you need to be prepared. Okay? So you need to be very careful. Sorry. Do not press the buzzer as Scott did right now, because otherwise I need to answer the question that I don't know. But you just get prepared. Because as soon as you hear, as soon as Miss Raquel finished, so you are close, your hand is close to the buzzer. Okay? So if your hand is on the table, you're going to take it too long to press the buzzer. So the best thing to do is, get ready. Okay?
all right. Okay, so toss-up number 6. Animals like humans and birds are called vertebrates because they have one. Name. Which one is it? I'm not seeing the mic.
Done.
Yes.
They have bones.
Bones. Yes, correct. Notice what I did. I did not continue reading. I will continue reading so you know what it is, but he got it right.
Yeah.
Name this object in your body that animals like jellyfish and crabs don't have, which is why they're called invertebrates. And so bones is correct. A backbone or skeleton or bones would be the
But
answer.
be careful, okay?
Yes. Only if you're 100% confident. He was 100% confident.
Yes,
So.
it is.
Okay.
So now you have a bonus question to discuss.
Bonus question is in arts. What are the primary colors? There are 3.
You can talk.
What are the
Tell
3
Teresa.
primary colors? Captain?
She needs to say because she's the captain.
Captain?
Amarelo, vermelho.
Can you say it in
Can
English,
you say
please?
it in English?
Yellow, red, and blue.
Correct answers. 3 points. Toss-up number 7. Just a second. Toss-up number 7. This is science. Sir Isaac Newton is said to have sat under a tree and had an apple fall out of the tree and onto his head. What force that caused the apple blue?
Wind.
I'm sorry, your answer is incorrect. I'm going to finish reading the question. What force that caused the apple to fall also makes other things fall to the ground? You may discuss this question.
I have an answer.
Yes?
Hi, Teresa. I have an answer.
Gravity is correct. So 1 point for you guys. So half the time almost. Toss-up number 8. What is the word for the small device that appears on a computer screen to tell you where you are on the screen and can be moved by the computer's mouse? Red team?
The set.
Can Can you say it in English?
Yes, do you know how is that? I will not consider, I'm sorry. Return question to the blue team, because it's not the right answer.
It's not.
It has to be in English, first of all. Captain, I need your answer, please.
Set.
Yes? What-
Set.
No. The answer is cursor, so it's not, é o cursor em português and cursor in English.
A imagem que aparece é da setinha, but the name is different. Okay, so yes, it's not the sign that you're going to see on the screen, but what is
What
the
is that name?
on the device, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
it's
so
okay, but
it
at
was-
least you know what we're talking about.
It was a toss-up question.
Yes. Toss-up number 8. Toss-up number 9. And this is a math question. You will have 30 seconds to answer. Give the number n that completes the equation. N times 9 equals 63.
André?
7 times 9 equals 63.
Correct answer. You get a bonus.
Miss Raquel, I'm not gonna consider this, okay? Because I gave 2 warnings already, and so it was the first time, so then I gave a warning, so is someone clapping hands? Okay, so I'm gonna give only 1 point, not 2.
Okay, so you cheer, alright?
And we talked about this before we started the competition outside. So all the rules are very
And
clear. And here as well.
Toss-up number 10. Okay, now because I have students in my classroom, I'm sorry. But toss-up number 10.
No, it's not toss-up.
No?
It is a bonus question.
Okay, it's because you took points in my mind,
Yeah.
brought me to someplace else.
No,
All
I
right,
gave only half
Yes.
of the points.
so bonus, let's find a bonus for you guys. Okay. Name one stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. Name one stage in the life cycle of a butterfly.
You may discuss.
Are you already?
Captain, I need your answer, please.
Larva.
No. The answer is egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, cocoon, or butterfly. Okay, one of these would be right. Toss-up number 11 for both teams. What? Okay, what word that rhymes with east can describe a tiger, a hippo, a lion? Blue?
Okay.
Beast is correct, and I will finish reading. Can describe a tiger, a hippo, a lion, or any other large, scary animal you might see in the jungle. Beast is correct, and you will get a bonus. I'm going to pull from the back now. Because usually bonus,
This is
yes.
going to be the last one, and then
Okay.
1 minute break, and so we're gonna continue.
All right.
Final time, okay?
Bonus, math, 30 seconds for blue team. Say the next 3 numbers in these series. 4, 8, 12, 16. We're going to do the final 5.
This is the bonus
The
question.
final
right?
3, the 3.
No,
It is a work on your paper. Do you have an answer?
All right.
20, 24, and 28.
Correct answers. Okay, now we are going to have 1 minute break. Is that it?
Yeah.
1 minute break. Captains, if you'd like to switch players, now's the time. No? Okay. Red team.
Left again, and I think it's fair to say, because she.
But I didn't hear. Because if I heard, I'll take another. Okay, so thank you very much, but that's what happened. It was the first word.
So you're not switching players?
Are you going to switch? Okay.
All right, toss up for both teams.
Number one.
Number one, toss up final five, number one. A joey is the word for a baby of what animal that carries, red team, please.
Clara.
I'm sorry, your answer is incorrect. I'm gonna finish reading the question. If you get it right, now,
You get
for the final five, you'll also get a bonus, okay? So, a joey is the word for a baby of what animal that carries the joey in its pouch while it jumps around in the wilderness of Australia?
Yeah.
Yes,
Kangaroo.
kangaroo is correct.
Eu me tremi tão.
Oh, but Miss Raquel, that was a rebound question.
Yes, and now
Okay,
they get a
so
bonus.
-1, so it's 20.
Yes.
And then plus 3, 23.
All right, you will get a bonus. Okay, this will be in Spanish. Yes. ¿Cuántas letras tiene el abecedario en español?
Oh, it's a toss-up question.
Now it's a bonus, Miss
No, Miss
Carol.
Raquel, it's not. Aqui.
Eles não falaram.
We said that todos. The
Kangaroo.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo was.
Kangaroo too. No, Miss Carol.
It was a toss-up question, the kangaroo?
Yeah.
It was a rebound, right? So Clara said koala. So then, okay, so my mistake. So that was koala. I'm sorry.
Não
I'm sorry.
tô entendendo mais nada. Eu já tenho que treinar.
Okay, now, it is, so now you were asking the bonus, so that's it. I stopped the
Okay,
koala
that
was
was
it.
good. Yes. Answer?
Interceded.
Correct answer. Very good Spanish.
Okay, so
All right.
now.
We said with I thought that she said she.
No, it was okay, it was my mistake, yes, that correct, here.
Okay, that was toss-up final 5-1, kangaroo, and then
You
they
received
missed
Maria
it, and
Clara.
then bonus. Toss-up final 5, number 2,
Number 2.
and then let's see. What common object, usually made of polished glass, is often found in bedrooms and bathrooms, so you can look at it and see if your hair is blue team?
Mirror.
Mirror is correct. And you'll get a bonus. Alright, so your bonus is a language arts question. Put this sentence in the past tense. You bring me good luck.
Bonus question, so you can discuss. Okay.
Yes?
You brought me a good
Correct answer. You brought me. Yes, it's an irregular verb, right? To bring, brought. Very good.
Listen, when you have an answer, you tell Miss Raquel, not Miss Carol, tá? I'm not the moderator, so I'm here to help, but Miss Raquel
Just say
is the
we
one
have
that's
answers.
to recognize
Say
people.
we have answers so I can hear, because I was trying to read the paper. Alright. Toss up number 3 for both teams. Math. Pencils and paper ready. On a highway, you pass a sign saying that the town of Smithville is 47 miles away. After you drive 32 miles, how many more miles is it to Smithville?
Can you repeat it, please?
On a highway, you pass a sign saying that the town of Smithville is
Awesome.
47 miles away. After you drive 32 miles, how many more miles is it to Smithville? Yes,
15.
15 is correct. If he asks me to repeat, the time is still counting. Correct. 15 is correct. And bonus?
Bonus.
Okay. So your next one will be in miscellaneous. It's common knowledge. How long does it take the minute hand to move from one number to the next? You may discuss this question.
60 seconds. We have an answer.
Yes?
60 seconds.
Sorry, your answer is incorrect. It's 5 minutes. From one hand to the next one. To move from one number to the next one is just 5. All right. Toss up number 4 of the final 5. Okay. The chameleon is a type of lizard that hides from its predators by changing what thing about its body? Blue team, I'm sorry, hesitation, sorry. Return question to the red team. I'm going to read the question again. Huh? Okay.
Who from the blue team?
The
Okay.
line is over there. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. And he was doing it right. Okay.
But that,
Yes, Andre. Blue.
no,
Okay. Return question. Because that was a hesitation.
Oh, I remember.
It's okay. All right, so red team, and I'm going to repeat the question. The chameleon is a type of lizard that hides from its predators by changing what thing about its body? Captain, I need your answer, please.
King Kong.
Correct. Color is correct. And you get a bonus, okay? Your bonus will be a math question. A bookshelf has 15.
no, that, it's gone. So you
Huh?
take this, you did this question. You double
Not
check
for
this
him,
question.
not for them, not for them. This is from him.
Oh,
A bookshelf has 15 books on it. If Maria removes 6 books to use in writing a report, how many books are left on the shelf?
This.
No, it's
no,
a bonus
it's
for them.
question.
It's for them. Aqui, ó. Todas as formas combinam. If you have an answer, you say it.
Do you have an answer?
Yes, Captain?
9.
9 is correct. Okay, and now we're gonna go.
Who pressed the buzzer again? Who pressed the buzzer again?
Me. Miss, I think I know what it was. Remember the time when I was pressing the button? Maybe the interference was not.
Is that light on?
No.
Did you clean the buzzer?
Yeah.
No.
So please do not press the buzzer, okay?
All right, we're gonna go to the final
Last
question.
question.
The last question of the final 5. Miss Carol, would you like to choose one from the sports section to be on the final 5?
That one. Yeah, that one.
All right. Number 5.
Last one, okay? So
Last
this
one,
is the last question.
sports. How many rings are on the Olympic flag? Blue.
5.
5 rings is correct. And you get a bonus. This was toss up final 5.
Last
Your
bonus.
bonus. It will be a math question, 30 seconds, pencils and paper ready. A gallon jug of milk weighs about 8 pounds. If you carry 1 gallon jug of milk in each hand, how much weight are you carrying?
You may discuss and give the answer to
We
the
have an
next
answer.
one. Very good.
Yes?
4.
I'm sorry, your answer is incorrect. The right answer is 16 pounds. Okay?
That's it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Congratulations, red team and blue team. So this is the final score. For the knowledgeable, we do not have player today, of course.
We don't
Okay. Yeah.
We have.
No, we don't. Yes, yes.
Like, these will go to the placard.
So they score, yeah.
And these will count.
This is going to count exactly the way that it is, 31, 13. Okay? So listen, Miss Raquel didn't have the chance to take a picture. So, so she's taking pictures of all rounds. She's going to take some pictures that way, and then when I ask you to go and shake hands, so please go there, look at Miss Raquel. Let's take some nice pictures, okay? So, Look here, look here.
Mara.
Mara. Look here. Okay, now discuss with each other, because I did not talk to her as if you were saying an answer. There you Okay, good. So let's do the same. So pretend, now Andrea, pretend that you were discussing something.
Cheer, cheer. Cheer with your hands. Cheer.
Okay. So red team, do the
Cheer,
same.
cheer.
Okay, girls and boys are there. Wow, cheer for your team. Great, well done.
Okay, now you may stand up and
Please
shake
stand
hands.
up and shake hands.